Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore innovative and streamlined approaches to home construction. Today, we're focusing on the increasingly popular and sophisticated realm of prefab house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This method offers a modern alternative to traditional building, combining efficiency, quality control, and design flexibility. This isn't just about mass-produced homes, it's about intelligently crafted dwellings tailored to modern living. What is the meaning of prefab house design? Prefab house design refers to the architectural and engineering process of creating homes in off-site manufacturing facilities, typically in sections or modules, which are then transported and assembled on the final building site. These designs encompass a wide range of architectural styles and sizes, from small modular homes to large, multi-story residences. The term prefab is short for prefabricated, highlighting the factory-built nature of the components, while house design underscores the focus on creating functional and aesthetically pleasing living spaces. It's about leveraging controlled manufacturing environments to achieve precision, efficiency, and often a faster construction timeline compared to traditional stick-built homes. What are the benefits of choosing prefab house design? Choosing prefab house design offers a compelling array of benefits. Firstly, the controlled factory environment ensures consistent quality and precision in construction, minimizing errors and waste. Secondly, the off-site manufacturing process can significantly reduce construction time on the final building site, leading to faster occupancy. Prefabrication often allows for more accurate cost estimation and potentially lower overall construction costs due to streamlined processes and bulk material purchasing. The modular nature of many prefab designs offers flexibility in customization and future expansion. Moreover, prefab construction can be less disruptive to the building site and surrounding environment. Finally, advancements in prefab technology have led to a wide variety of modern and architecturally sophisticated designs. How to design your prefab house design. Designing your prefab house involves a collaborative process with the manufacturing company's design team or an independent architect specializing in prefab construction. Start by defining your needs, lifestyle, and budget. Explore the various prefab construction methods, such as modular, panelized, and kit homes, to determine the best fit for your project. Consider the site conditions and any specific design requirements or restrictions. Work with the design team to customize floor plans, choose materials, and select finishes. Pay attention to energy efficiency and sustainability options. Ensure that the design incorporates proper insulation, ventilation, and natural light. The design process often involves reviewing 3D models and detailed plans before manufacturing begins. How to build prefab house design with luxury facade. Building a prefab house with a luxury facade involves selecting high-quality materials and incorporating sophisticated architectural details during both the design and assembly phases. Work closely with the prefab manufacturer to choose premium exterior cladding options such as architectural metal panels, high-end wood siding, natural stone veneer, or large-format porcelain panels. Incorporate striking architectural features like expansive glazed walls, dramatic roof lines, and custom-designed entryways. Pay meticulous attention to the detailing around windows and doors. Enhance the curb appeal with professional landscaping, including custom hardscaping and sophisticated outdoor lighting. Consider integrating outdoor living spaces such as spacious decks, balconies, or even rooftop gardens. The key is to select luxurious materials and design elements that can be integrated into the prefab construction process, ensuring a seamless and high-end final result. 10 Best Prefab House Design Ideas. 1. The Modern Modular Masterpiece features sleek, interconnected modules creating a spacious and contemporary home with clean lines and large windows. 2. The Panelized Passive House utilizes highly insulated wall and roof panels for exceptional energy efficiency, with a focus on minimalist design. 3. The Flat Pack Architectural Gem, a design-forward home that is efficiently packaged and assembled on-site, often with unique structural elements. 4. The Timber Frame Modular Home combines the beauty of timber frame construction with the efficiency of modular building. 5. The Multi-Story Prefab Villa demonstrates the capability of prefab to create large, multi-level residences with sophisticated layouts. 6. The Sustainable Prefab Cabin focuses on eco-friendly materials and off-grid capabilities, ideal for remote locations. 7. The Customizable Container Hybrid integrates shipping containers as structural elements within a broader prefab designed for a unique aesthetic and cost efficiency. 8. The Prefab Ranch with Modern Flair offers the ease of single-story living with contemporary design elements and efficient construction. 9. The Prefab ADU Accessory Dwelling Unit, a smaller, self-contained unit built prefab for use as a guest house, rental, or in-law suite. 10. The Luxury Prefab Estate showcases high-end materials, intricate designs, and expansive layouts achievable through advanced prefab techniques. When designing a prefab house, it's crucial to consider transportation logistics and site accessibility, as the prefabricated components will need to be delivered and maneuvered into place. Understanding the specific capabilities and limitations of the chosen prefab manufacturer is also essential for a smooth design process. Pay close attention to the connection details between modules or panels to ensure structural integrity and weatherproofing. Consider the long-term maintenance and durability of the chosen materials. Furthermore, while prefab can offer cost savings, it's important to factor in site preparation costs, foundation work, utility connections, and finishing touches. Collaborating closely with experienced architects and prefab builders is key to a successful project. At Home Inspiration Studios, we recognize the growing potential of prefab house design to provide efficient, sustainable, and architecturally compelling housing solutions. As technology advances, prefab construction continues to evolve, offering homeowners greater control over quality, timelines, and design possibilities. Prefab house design offers a smart and efficient pathway to creating your dream home, blending quality construction with modern design flexibility. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are dedicated to showcasing innovative building methods that enhance the homeownership experience. By embracing the principles of thoughtful design, efficient manufacturing, and quality materials, you can build a prefab home that is both stylish and built to last. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best prefab house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.